this dish, I'm kind of cheating the time on making roasted potatoes with rosemary by parboiling the potatoes in salted water, the way we cook potatoes, always, right? Cold potatoes, cold water. Bring to a full boil, then add the salt. So we've got the oven as high as it goes. I've got garlic, butter, and olive oil. Potatoes love salt, don't be cheap with the salt. Lots of rosemary. For me, you cannot have enough rosemary. Then we're going to coat the potatoes evenly so that they brown on a parchment or foil lined sheet pan and into that 550-degree oven until they're deeply golden brown. It should take about 12 minutes. Boom. See ya. For the fish, I am going to make fish with a red wine sauce. Now, the way we get the sauce done in the same amount of time as our potatoes and our fish is by splitting the work between two pans. In one pan, I have some shallots cooking out in a little olive oil. Then we're going to add a fat clove of garlic after the shallots get tender because you don't want to burn or singe the garlic or bitter it. We're going to throw in a fresh bay leaf, and then we're going to add about a half a bottle of your wine and let this reduce. In another skillet, a large non-stick skillet, we're going to get the pan hot over medium-high heat with a little bit of olive oil. We're going to look for sustainable seafood. All of our markets, even Targets and Walmarts, sell sustainable seafood now. You're gonna ask at the counter or look in the case for sustainable seafood like black cod, or this is a beautiful plate of snapper. And we're going to season up the fish with salt and pepper. And we're going to put it in the pan, skin side down. That skin is gonna get super crispy, like a potato chip on your fish fillet. It's delicious. The only thing to remember is when you first put it into the hot pan, make sure you press down on it with a fish spatula to keep it from curling and to get an even crispiness on the skin. I'm gonna do that now with these guys, just like this. And I'll meet you back here in a couple. So I literally just flipped the fish, and the second side is only gonna take a minute or two. Meanwhile, we reduced the wine. Actually, turn it down a little bit over the break because it was boiling away so heavily. Reduce the wine until it's almost syrupy. See, it's just beautiful. We're gonna fish out that bay leaf. Hello, fella, come out of the pond. You did your job. So the bay leaf goes away, and when the fish is done, we're going to gently move that to a platter, and we're gonna add just a little bit of seafood stock or even chicken stock to the skillet into the drippings from the fish. And we're going to marry the stock with the wine reduction. We're gonna gloss our sauce with a little butter to finish. And that's it. I'm gonna let this reduce and let the butter melt in. When we come back, we'll plate up. So we've got our adorable little roasted potatoes, and they got this glorious color on them. Now for the sauce, you can go all kind of artsy, right? And just make a puddle of it and put the crispy fish on top. But I'm a saucy girl, so I'm gonna do both. I'm gonna make a puddle of that sauce, and then I'm gonna put the crispy skinned fish on top of the sauce, and then let's put a little more sauce. And then I just finished the fish with a little bit of chive. And that's it. Simple and delicious.